Confused about how much you're really paying in processing fees? Those small percentages and add-on charges can quietly drain your e-commerce profits each month. Here's how you can break down your e-commerce fees manually. In Google Sheets, plug in your transaction volume, rate, and flat or monthly fees. It is a simple way to see how much you are paying in total, but it doesn't give you the full picture of all the incidental costs that can show up later. That's where transparency really matters. With EasyPay Direct, you get clear, predictable pricing from the start. No hidden setup or incidental fees. Their transparent structure adjusts based on your volume and risk level, helping you keep more of your revenue each month. Plus, EasyPay Direct's FAQ on types of incidental fees explains what to look out for, so you always know where your money's going. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. You can check out how their transparent pricing and flexible setup help you stay in control of your costs. Stop guessing what your next statement will look like. With EasyPay Direct, you will always know exactly what you're paying and why. The link to get started is right there in the description.